Hello children, in this video I will teach you how to add the chart elements. You all know the chart elements like your data labels, data tables, your axis titles, chart titles, these things how you will add in your chart. For that, if you have in your home like it is Windows 10 operating system, then you have to go to the design tab. But if it is Windows 7 operating system, you have to go to the layout tab. So whatever now I am showing you, it is in the Windows 7. So just see, I have to go now layout tab. So I am already in the layout tab. See, in the layout tab there is a group labels group. In the label groups, just see here is the chart title, axis titles, your legend, your data labels, your data tables, all the options are here. So let's start with the chart title. If you want to give any title of this chart, then you have to go to the chart title. Just click here. It will ask you where you want to add your chart title. So none means you don't want to display your chart title, or in the center or in the above the charts where you want to add. So I can add here above the charts, so the chart title is coming. So I can write here what average score I want to, because my datas are about the average score. So let's give the name average score. Wait. Average score. Done. So like this you can give your chart title. Then if you want to give the axis titles, so there are two axes you all are know in a graph or in a, any type of charts. So it is your charts means your bar graph and column graph. If it is, then there is two axes, your x-axis and your y-axis. So this is your x-axis, this part is your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. So your x-axis in the horizontal and your y-axis in the vertical. So let's go to the axis titles. Then it will show you primary horizontal axis titles or primary vertical axis titles, where you want to give your axis titles. So let's start with the primary horizontal axis titles. Again it will show, see, title where you want to give your title below axis, so or not, no, you don't want. So just click on the title below axis. See, now under this x-axis it is coming axis titles. Now give your axis titles whatever you want. Like here I am showing the subjects, so give the axis titles subjects. Done. Then the same way, if you want to give the axis titles in the vertical like in your y-axis, then again go to the axis titles. Then it is given primary vertical. Click on that. Then it will show you so many options for your rotated title, how you want to show your the title, vertical title or horizontal title. So see, if I choose this vertical title, the name, the title of the y-axis marks. Done. Now I have given the titles. Here I have written subject, here I have written marks. Done. Now what else? You can give the legend. Legends are what I have already said. See, here I have shown you the 2 marks of the student. One is your Arman, one is Maru. So the Arman in which color? This is your Arman, okay, the blue, and your Maruf is in the maroon color. So now if I want to change, if you want to change any of the legend colors, you can do that. Just click here. And no, one more thing you can do, the legends are now it is coming in the right side, okay, but the same legend if you want to show in other places of your chart, like in the left or top or bottom, wherever, that option is coming in this legend option. Show legend at right, it is already there in the right. Show legend at the top, if you want to show in the top you can show. If you want to show in the legend in the left, at the bottom, at the right, your choice, okay. Let's take it legend at the left. See, now your legend is coming in the left, but it is not coming properly because marks is already there. Okay, I am changing that. So legend at the top. Okay, let it take it to the right only, because if I take to the top, again I have to adjust. But you can take to the any places as your wish. Okay, so Then another one, your data labels. Data labels are what? See, whatever marks they got, if the marks, this is the form of graphs, but if you want to show the marks, the graph as well as marks, that marks, if it will come any places of this graph, that is called your data labels. So turn on the data labels, then see the marks are coming here. 56, it is 30. Arman's is coming 56 in English, and Maruf's is coming 30. Here in the same way in the mathematics also it is coming the marks. These marks are called, now it is the data labels. Okay. The same way you can add the table also in this chart. Your table is here, no? Now your table is here. The same table, if you want to bring this to the chart, then that also you can do. For that you have to go to the data table, then it is showing the show data table. You want to show the data table, just click there. See, the table is coming under this chart. Like this you can add the elements of charts. I hope you all are understand. Thank you.